Is your mother guilty or not guilty?
Not.
Not.
Take your hat back.
Hard not to like Judge Frank Caprio.
We're talking about your father, right? Now, you're going to say guilty or not guilty. What do you say?
Guilty.
Guilty. An honest boy.
The more people watched, they couldn't help but love the man known as the nicest judge in the world.
You are charged with a school zone violation. You were taking your son to the doctor's office?
Yeah, I take him for blood work every 2 weeks because he's got cancer.
You are a good man. You are a good man. And you're still taking care of your family. I wish the best for your son, and I wish you good health, and your case is dismissed.
A municipal court judge, Caprio served on the bench for nearly 4 decades.
I think 9:59 is close enough to 10. Matter's dismissed.
Thank you.
Eventually, social media found his show caught in Providence, and everyone met the empathetic grandfather and great-grandfather his Rhode Island community knew for years.
Unfortunately, I've had a setback. I'm back in the hospital.
A lengthy battle with cancer, Caprio passed away this week. His family said in a statement, "In his honor, may we each strive to bring a little more compassion into the world, just as he did every day."
Can I give you a hug?
Come on up here.
Caprio leaves a legacy of kindness in a world where that often seems rare.
Relax. You feel better now?
I wanted to say, never have I met a judge like you. And I've been in many courtrooms.
I'm not going to comment on that except to say this. I don't do anything different than what I was taught to do by my parents. And that is treat everyone with dignity and respect and have some compassion for people.
Judge Frank Caprio was 88 years old.
A crippling blow in the brothers' fight for freedom. Erik and Lyle Menendez both denied parole this week. Friday, Lyle Menendez appearing virtually for his parole hearing. His denial coming 24 hours after his brother Erik was also denied parole. The two brothers were convicted of murdering their parents inside their Beverly Hills home. The bodies of Jose and Kitty were found with multiple bullet wounds.
They shot their parents to make it look like a mafia-style killing, shooting their dad in the back of the head. They reloaded a shotgun and shot her at point-blank range.
Lyle's parole hearing, he said there was zero planning, and the decision to buy guns had been, quote, somewhat impulsive and for emotional protection, and also the biggest mistake. The brothers have long said they killed their parents out of fear after a lifetime of abuse and shot them in self-defense. Now in their 50s, Erik was 18 and Lyle 21 at the time of their parents' murder. They were later sentenced to life in prison without the possibility of parole. In May, their sentences were reduced, making them eligible for parole. But this week, both brothers were found to be a moderate risk to public safety and denied release.
That was a caution flag to the parole board.
There will be an internal review by the full parole commission, which can take up to 120 days. Then California Governor Gavin Newsom has 30 days to reverse, approve, or modify the decision if he chooses to, but he could act sooner.
They also have a clemency petition. That's a process where the governor could step in at any time.
Even if the parole board's recent ruling stands, the brothers could get another shot at parole in 2027.
Venezuela amanece en una tensa calma luego de que la primera ministra de Trinidad y Tobago anunciara a través de un comunicado al gobierno de Washington que su territorio está a la orden por el mar para que los buques desplegados puedan realizar las operaciones necesarias. Esto luego de que Guyana le confirmara al gobierno del presidente Donald Trump que pueden ingresar a su territorio para combatir el narcotrafico y colocar fin al cártel de los soles. Están vinculadas figuras estratégicas del gobierno venezolano. Una medida a la que se suma Francia recientemente activando refuerzos contra el narcotráfico en el Mar Caribe. Mientras que del lado venezolano, autoridades como el ministro de Defensa, Vladimir Padrino López, anunció la activación de 9 operaciones militares en diferentes puntos de Venezuela, entre ellos en las costas, para la defensa de la integridad territorial. Esto se acompaña a lo que es el despliegue recientemente autorizado en las principales plazas del país para el registro de venezolanos en la milicia bolivariana, un cuerpo auxiliar de la Fuerza Armada Armada conformado por reservistas, civiles, trabajadores públicos y hasta jubilados, a quienes el mandatario Nicolás Maduro les ha pedido alistarse en sitios públicos y cuarteles para hacer frente a lo que él denomina amenazas internacionales. Lo cierto es que mientras que esto se desarrolla en principales plazas del país, en otros puntos de Venezuela, todo se desarrolla con normalidad. Los venezolanos acuden a sus trabajos, hay quienes inclusive asisten a plazas, parques y gimnasios, continuando con su rutina diaria sin sumarse a este alistamiento al que ha hecho un llamado el gobierno de Venezuela. Por otra parte, tengo que comentarles que en medio de todo esto se ha decidido la liberación de 13 presos políticos detenidos en un contexto de las elecciones presidenciales del pasado julio del año 2024, mientras que la líder de oposición, María Corina Machado, se ha pronunciado en medios internacionales asegurando que en Venezuela se vive una euforia silenciosa y agradeció también al presidente Trump por las recientes acciones en el Mar Caribe.